In Down syndrome, neuronal cells accumulate harmful misfolded proteins, amyloid-beta and tau, decades earlier than usual. That is because their autophagy systems, the body's recycling program, is sluggish. Endosomes, the cell's storage sacs, become enlarged. Lysosomes, the recycling plants, become compromised, and damaged proteins start to pile up in the cell. Hydrogen gas helps by regulating and reactivating autophagy. It's also been shown to improve proteostasis throughout cells and organs, such as the brain. H2 also increases molecules like LC32 or lowers or regulates molecules like P62, normalizing lysosome function. Also prevents mitochondrial stress from blocking autophagy. In simple terms, hydrogen gas instructs the cell to remember how to clean up the house. That's essential for brain health, longevity, and preventing neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's, which is higher in T21. If this was helpful, make sure you check out the full-length video where I explain this in more detail. And if you want simple content on molecular hydrogen therapy, make sure you subscribe to H2 Minutes.